Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make videos on CapCut. If you want to make sure it's all YouTube videos. Of course, you gotta clips to video. It's gonna load. When it's unloading, upload from this device if you could use any of those buttons. But I also use this so I could take my videos. This is how I make shorts. So this is one of my shorts. I made the stuff. Here, today I'm going to make a short also with this video. So I'm putting death in, and then I could put anything, like eat a virgin, things that kill you, like, no, ours is too weak. So then you just click these. I want this. Also be made for my friends. You know, you should, but you could just put random things there. Then it's gonna generate. This video may be too long, so I might just do this. Let me do this. Pose this.
Got a swimming pool for the liquor and they dive in. They pool for the liquor and we dive in. Frank, big shot. Frank, sit down. Frank.
Oh my gosh.
Some people are just good people and you can just feel it. I don't know how to explain it. There's like this little spark they have.
Yeah, I was just
you feel safe and happy about it.
Yeah, I'll take this. Here's my camera. You can name it. Good people. That's cool. And it is gonna be here. So if you wanna hurry up, just do this. Yeah. I can show you. This is gonna be short. If you want to change the name, the description. And then